Microsoft AI is transforming how every technical team works. But when only one team is trained, usually IT, Microsoft AI initiatives stall. Data isn't prepared, AI models can't scale, and Copilot can't be fully deployed. Real alignment happens when every team builds capability across the full Microsoft Gen AI ecosystem. And Fastlane, as a Microsoft Authorized Learning Partner, delivers the skilling that makes this possible. To deploy Microsoft AI successfully, teams need mastery across all key Gen AI domains. From productivity and Copilot adoption to Azure AI development, agent creation, data readiness, and secure cloud governance. With hands-on Microsoft skilling, teams learn to secure Copilot, prepare data in Fabric, build intelligent agents with Azure AI, and deploy enterprise-grade AI solutions. Aligned teams deploy Microsoft AI faster and deliver measurable results. Build your Microsoft AI skills with Fastlane.